Selamat berjumpa dengan saya, Eva Muramangunsong, pada mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris dengan materi reading. Selamat berjumpa pada perkuliahan program vocational berkelanjutan Diploma 1 STP Sahid. Today I'm going to give you the lesson about reading a brochure. This is the second meeting and I'm going to review some lesson before I come to the new lesson. Now our lesson is about reading a brochure information about Yosemite Lodge. When at the first meeting we learn about the Hotel Ahwahnee, the Wawona Hotel, the Yosemite Lodge, and the camping page. But today what I'm going to give you is about the Yosemite Lodge. Do you still remember our lesson? I'm going to give you some question. Did you still remember our last lesson last week? What did we learn? Yes, we learned about Yosemite Park, the Ahwahnee Hotel, the facility in the hotel, and also the adjectives showing about the rooms. But I'm going to conclude that what we learned last lesson is the Yosemite Park. Yosemite offers a wide choice of accommodation. You may choose from the luxurious hotel to a simple tent. It's a place for people who want to choose to stay in California. That's our last lesson. We already talked about the Yosemite Park because in the Yosemite Park we know there are some hotels there. But today I'm going to give you only about Yosemite Lodge. After learning a description of a places, the students are able to get information about 1. Getting information about a certain type of accommodation, and the second one, getting information about the facilities available in the accommodation. This is our objective. Now, students, I'm going to give you the brochure about Yosemite Lodge. Now, listen carefully because I'm going to read it for you. Yosemite Lodge is within easy walking distance of most of the valley attractions. It offers attractive but simple hotel room and small redwood cabin. Because it's priced so well, this place is popular and reservations should be made as far in advance as possible. Facilities include a coffee shop, lounge, 2 restaurants and cafeteria, as well as several shops. Rates are $43 single or double without bath, $40 cabin without bath, $75 single double with bath, and $52 cabin with bath. So this is the brochure, the information about Yosemite Lodge. Well, after you read this brochure, what can you get from this information? I'm sure you are going to see this area, and I'm sure that you are going to see and to reserve this place. Now we come to the next slide. I will give you the meaning of the lodge. This is the meaning of the lodge. Lodge means a cabin or other building in the country providing temporary accommodation. For example, as a vacation home or a temporary shelter for campers, walkers, skiers, or hunters. So, my students, do you understand what lodge means? Yes, lodge especially for the people who are, for example, campers or walkers or skiers or hunters. They want to go to the remote areas, or they want to stay in a, let's say, forest, and they will find it a lodge, because a lodge usually is cheaper than a hotel. Now see the next slide. When you go to California and then you want to know the Yosemite Lodge, how can we get there? As your information, I will read it for you. The location of the lodge is within walking distance from the most of valley attraction. We can make the reservation through the internet. Since the place is so popular, it is better to reserve it far in advance to ensure the availability of the room. So, when you want to stay in this place, what have you do first? Of course, you have to reserve it, because we know Yosemite Lodge, so many people wants to stay in this place. Don't forget, you have to make a call first to make a reservation. How can we get there? I'm going to give you easy to understand how we can get to the Yosemite Lodge. If you come to California and you want to see or to stay in the Yosemite Lodge, you will find it easy. Come to the Yosemite Park, and from there you can just walk through valley attraction and find the Yosemite Lodge. Don't be afraid. As soon as you are in the Yosemite National Park, you can walk through the valley attractions and see how wonderful the surrounding. Now I'm going to explain to you what are the facilities in Yosemite Lodge. Now you can see from the pictures. The facilities include a coffee shop, lounge, restaurants, cafeteria, as well as several shops. How are the rooms in Yosemite Lodge? The rooms are attractive, even though they are simple. Some rooms have bathroom inside, some not. There is also a redwood cabin. How can we stay there? Because this place is so popular, so the reservation should be made as far in advance as possible. What are the rates at Yosemite Lodge? The rates are reasonable as the following. You can see from the slide, the rates are $43 for single or double room without bath. And the second one is $40 for cabin without bath. And the third is $75 for single or double with bath. And the last is $52 for cabin with bath. So, my students, what do you think of the price of the rates? I think they are reasonable enough. Now, we already learned the brochure of Yosemite Lodge. I want you to answer this question that I'm sure you already listened very well about the information in this brochure. If you can answer well, it means that you follow my lesson. Can you answer this? The rate in the Yosemite Lodge. How to get there? And what are the facilities available in the Yosemite Lodge? And how about the rooms? Well, see another activity. Fill up the grid based on from the reading about the Yosemite Lodge. You see the question on the left side, and you have to answer on the right side. The question is how to get there, what are the room types, and what are the facilities, and the last is what about the room rates. Do you still remember that? I'm sure that you can do it well. Well, class, this is our lesson. This is our reading lesson. So I hope that this is very useful for you. Thank you for looking and for listening well from our lesson. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.